so now we have some basics. Now we're going to dig a little more into these leveled readers. So you do have your libraries in class. However, if you have students that need digital access or you don't have enough and just want your students to use it on their iPads, you do have that option as well. So if I'm looking at still the 5th grade curriculum, and I'm going to toggle back over to the Teacher's Edition. At the beginning of every unit, and I'm over here on the table of contents, remember I clicked, trying to get out of this so I can show. All right, I clicked menu, I clicked table of contents. Okay, then I put down unit 1. I click down on program overview. Then I click down on reading workshop. Yes, introduction. And then right here, it's got the leveled readers that I'm going to need for the unit. As you can see, I'm still in the 5th grade curriculum. The leveled readers are going to go from level S all the way to level U. This is going to be important for the next screen. So if I toggle back, I'm up at the top using my windows, and I clicked on the leveled readers at the top. I could come over here and I could click on guided reading, and I said that was level S through level U. Is that what I said? Yes. And then hit search. I'll know I'm in the right grade level because right here I only see grade levels 4 and 5. I can browse through and just find the leveled reader and hit assign to the student. So just for demonstration's sake, let me toggle back. I am looking for this one, Travel the World. So these are in alphabetical order. I'm going to skip over to 9 and hope I end up in the right spot. Okay, a little bit further, there's S. We're looking for Travel the World. Gotta be close. Okay, I'm still looking. Here we go. So now I can see that I have those leveled readers here. If I need more info, I can click on my info button. And this one tells me the Lexile level as well as the DRA and the level here. So this one's level S. And this one, perfect, cool. So I could just hit assign, and I could assign it to my students. There are also teacher resources right here. The teacher's guide. Which take me to that exact lesson plan. So it tells you about the type of text, some of the features you want to point out in the lesson plan, different ways we can support our ELLs, things to say when you're previewing the text and the genre, and different vocabulary words. So as I'm going through, here's my whole lesson plan. I could get the book, assign it to students, and we could go through this in small group. This is highly recommended for RTI or during centers time if that's how you structure your class. I'm sure there's probably an easier way to get to that book rather than going through the page numbers. So if you find that out, let me know. Over here, you could also, if I knew the genre of the book, which I think it tells me here, it is informational text. I found that right here. So I could probably find that easier. To be continued on that part. So we're still learning together, but this is one way you can get to your leveled readers and access the lesson plan. I remember seeing in one of these other documents where it was the skills overview possibly, or one of the other teaching planning pages where you could click directly on and it would take you to that page in the teacher's manual. So I know there's more than one way to get to the leveled readers, but here's just one option to finding that lesson plan and getting these digitally.